Alright, so, you know, I picked up this clone, this Trx4m clone off of Marketplace. It is a little bit used, but, I mean, it's not a bad vehicle, but these wheels are hideous, so join me. I'm going to change them. Yeah, that's right, Trx4m clone. So, when I was building an RC, actually, the next video was this pink Defender and its new wheels. Well, these are the wheels that came off of it. These are aluminum Endura Beadlocks on some mixed racing tires. Now, they're not the heaviest thing in the world. I mean, I think 20 grams tops, but I think they're going to be a lot better than these stock tires. These are 1.3 tires. I don't know the brand. It just says Rock Terrain crawler tire. And, I mean, they got some good grip. But, I mean, they're plastic. And, yeah, these tires don't grip anything. They don't let it fool you. And I think the compound's a little too tough. So, let's switch it to these. So, we're just going to start. I mean, the center nut is a 5.5, which is big for a clone, or for a Trx4m, but like I said, this is a clone, so we don't do things simple here. But this clone is really cool. This is a Jeep, and I'm going to keep it this way. You know, I turned all my other clones into some serious projects, but this one, I just want to keep it simple. A reliable daily, as one calls it. So, yep, we're just gonna remove these wheels and tires. Put the new ones on. Don't worry about the water right there. No. Don't worry about the water right there. We got back from a competition. We did not compete. But you'll hear all about it in the next video. But I'm figuring, instead of, you know, doing this on my own free time, I figured I'd bring my favorite people along. You guys. Oh, let's not lose the hex nut. Because I think this is the best upgrade you can do for a brand new RC. Is wheels and tires. This changes everything immediately. The pink Defender went from, what was it? I actually don't know math. I'm stupid. I do know the tires, we weighed them. They were at 80 grams. So they added 80 grams to that RC, and now it's significantly heavier. And when these mixed racing tires are broken in, they are some of the best crawling tires I've ever had, compared to even my best friend's comp crawlers. Like full comp. He has, I guess it wouldn't be full comp. It's a Red Cat Ascent 18, but you know, not only do they improve the overall weight and capability, they also make a build look cool, good. Because compared to this, that elevates the build, you know. But as my favorite YouTuber, Seth Bike Hacks or Burn Peak, let's stare at it. A little short, but I just wanted to thank you for coming on this journey with me on the workbench. Another build, another success. So, I'll catch you in the next time. Remember to always grease your drive shafts. And let me know, are you a Trx4m guy, or are you an SCX24 guy, or gal? Can't forget about the gals. I'll catch you in the next one.